Hi Libra, thanks for being here. This is a collective message for the Libra energy. Only take what resonates with you. Only take what resonates for you. Leave what doesn't. Always use your discernment and intuition with my messages. You know what's for you and you know what's not, so always trust yourself. I do want to add, I am trying to reach a goal of 50 subscribers, so if you feel called to subscribe, please do. So I'm just going to jump right into the energy. So Libra, I got some numbers. I got 333, 555, and then I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But what I noticed is when I rolled the dice, the 1, 2, 3, 4 were really close together, and then the 5 was separated from it. And that shows me that there may be a little bit of distance in this progression that you're in, from 4 to 5. But we got 555, so, and we got 333. So that shows me alignment is here to move towards a change. I also have a crystal ball that I got some images from. I got a door, and I got a hand that's pointing, and I got an image that looks kind of, I put a crop circle, but I am going to show, let me see, how can I show this? Show this image. It looks like a spiral and then 4 circles above it. I put that it was a crop circle. But the message I got with that is alignment is a spiral. So it actually got me thinking, and I think it's a good analogy, that when we talk about alignment, we think straight lines, right? But what if alignment is a spiral? Like we talk about the path being a spiral, or, you know, the crooked path, or maybe alignment is a spiral. So another message that I got with the pointing, I see a direction, maybe synchronicities, pointing you into a direction, to a door that could bring a lot of change. With the 1, 2, 3, 4 and the distance from the 5, there was 2 ones that sat between there, and that gave me the energy of 11. So I could see like that 11 representing a, you know, a divine alignment, pointing you to a door that is, you know, creating that change that is either wanted or destined. Take it how it resonates. Another message I got is distancing away from a crowd, but staying in direct line of sun, alignment with the sun. So this could be alignment with, you know, the illuminated or the knowing of yourself. And the reason why I say that is I already pulled some cards and got some energy from the cards, but the reason why I said that is because I pulled this card, which is distance, is 14, comes down to a 5, right? But if you look at this card, the crow is distance from the village, but he is still directly in the line of the sun. Like he knows the alignment that he's on, but he isn't in town. He isn't in the village. I don't know exactly how that'll resonate for everybody, but it seems important. So I'm going to go through the cards. I got the mushroom, recycling, breaking down problems. So it looks like, and I got the card ghost. So this shows me an energy of maybe a little deep diving into the past, breaking down problems from the past, looking over the past in some way, but breaking it down I feel the energy of purifying with the sage. Like, I think it seems like someone is going in the past and like recycling it, breaking it down and purifying, which it really feels like productive. It feels like it's moving things. And I also got the Earth card with peace and grounding. And with the Ghost, I also have release. So that's the energy that I'm getting, is like someone who is recycling through the past, going through some past stuff, purifying it and releasing it. It seems very productive. And it's going to take you a distance. It's going to move you so far, just like the distance between the 4 and the 5. Like, there's a distance here, but it's going to take you there. At the I shuffled the deck, and at the bottom of the deck, the underlying was the 8 of Wands. So I think that a message or communication or some kind of connection will happen. Could be synchronicities in some way. For some reason with your reading, I'm getting like big synchronicity energy. So you could be seeing synchronicities or some kind of signs that are pointing you in the right direction to a door that will open up some kind of something that you feel distance from. What else can I say here for Libra? What can I say for Libra? 10 of Wands. There might be a lot of heavy burdens during this recycling and breaking down problems, which I would totally understand, because with the Ghost card, you could be going through past things that you have been through. You know, if you know, some regrets or something from the past, you could be breaking down and the word that's coming up to me is like neutralizing them. So during this process, it could feel very heavy because we're revisiting stuff, and it could even be stuff that we really never worked through. So now we're working through it again, and we're kind of processing it again. I feel like this is a good thing because it does seem to be getting neutralized and purified. So this doesn't seem like someone who is just like sitting in, you know, regret. It doesn't seem like someone who is sitting in, you know, past and not moving forward. This seems like someone who is productively removing things that they no longer need. So they're removing the heavy burdens. What else can I say here for Libra? Oop, tried to catch it, didn't get it. Queen of Cups. So with the Queen of Cups, I see a lot of intuition here. Somebody, and that's what I mean, like the synchronicity is popping up for me. Like somebody is seeing something with their intuition, like signs or something. The Queen of Cups carries a lot of nurturing and psychic energy. So it feels like someone is really tapping into something. And it could even be that during this process of, you know, kind of recycling what has happened in the past or recycling a situation, that you find like psychic energy or an intuitive gift or something in that nature. We have the 7 of Cups on the bottom of the deck. People could feel confused with what they are processing. And the King of Swords, there could be a hard truth within it that you're processing. And the 8 of Cups, it's not the time to walk away from it. It's kind of like facing these things, and with the Mushroom card, breaking down the problems, like recycling it. Make it into nutritious fertilizer for the new, you know, start that you're wanting to have. And it's like we're not running away from these things anymore, and you could have in the past, and that's why you have to revisit it and break it down. It's not the energy is not to run right now. It's to break it down, recycle it, purify it, use it as fertilizer for a new start. What else can I say here? 3 of Wands in reverse. I feel like this is saying not to worry about what's coming in, to take care of what you're working on right now. Don't be too focused on how it's going to look after you're done or what'll come in because of it. Can I have one more just to kind of clarify that card? 3 of Wands. Three of Wands. Oh, it's slow moving energy. Okay, so if you're trying to focus on like what's new, what you're going to fertilize with this fertilizer that you're creating, it's slow moving energy. It's not, you can't see it yet. That's why it's in reverse. Page of Pentacles, slow moving. It's not here yet. I feel like it's not time to focus. Yeah, 10 of Cups. The 10 of Cups is coming in. It's just slow moving because you have to do this first. You have to recycle this old energy, old grief, and you purify it, because that's going to bring you in the peace, grounding, and harmony within your life that you are wanting. I feel like it's destined. Like, yeah, I think that it's very necessary and productive. And the 10 of Cups is coming, being fully emotionally fulfilled. It's just slow moving. Is there anything else I can say about this slow moving energy? Okay. So when it's time, okay, first is 8 of Swords. Don't get trapped up in your mind about timing, about when it's coming in. Don't get trapped with like asking all the questions. I think Spirit is asking you to focus right now on the Mushroom card of recycling and on the Sage card of purification. That's what the focus is right now. So don't get 8 of Swords about what's coming, what's going to be the end of this all. Because when it does come in, it's going to come in full speed. And the Page of Cups, it's going to be something that's given to you full speed. It's going to be fast when it comes. But right now, it's not here. It's slow moving towards you because this needs to happen first. Is there anything else I can say here? I think that the energy, oh, and the Empress on the bottom of the deck, receiving energy, you're clearing up all this space to be in receiver mode. So think about it like this, if we're walking around carrying a bunch of stuff in our hands, how are we going to take anything else? Our hands are full. We don't have any room to carry anything else. So with this reading, it's asking you, hey, let's go through all this stuff that you're carrying, process it all, you know, purify it, empty our hands of what we don't need anymore, so we can have that open energy of the Empress and being receiving energy for this 10 of Cups. Now I saw, or was that at the bottom of the deck? For that 10 of Cups, we saw with the underlying energy of what's coming in. So we want to receive that, but we have to do that first so we can empty out our hands and be able to receive it. I hope that this message reaches you well. Always remember that you are loved and blessed, and thank you for being here. See you next time.